So a few things I got to ask about this board. I'm no board designer, but why does this have to be so narrow? Did you had to watch too much copper here? You couldn't leave a little more room in between here? You know, these traces, they have to be so small that you can't even match the width of the via. I mean, these you can probably get away with. But over here, you're dealing with your higher power. And look at how close. Does it have to be that close? Well, maybe this one makes. Okay, these two, I think, go to this copper plane. But even this one, I mean, that's... I guess. That just seems awful close to me. No reason you couldn't have left more. I mean, just even during the manufacturing process, this could cause you issues. You know, this one too, you couldn't bring this copper out this way. You had to have this little wedgie in there. You know, see, it doesn't take much for the solder mask to become exposed. Now I got a blob of solder right here, right close to these two. You know, this had to be this narrow. This was all just the default settings. New to trace layout. I mean, I get it. I mean, this is, okay, so this is connected, this is connected. Yeah. I mean, far be it from me. See these here, so these are good. We're not going to have to jumper these. The ones we're going to have to worry about. See, look how thin that copper just came right off without trying. See, this one I'm going to have to look at, where is this coming from? I may run a jumper to this one. But these here on this side, you know, we saw last time this right here was all burned out. And again, I'm going to blame it on these through-hole vias going right here. So this to these two, this is going to get a jumper. You like how you got all this mass and then this little trace. We couldn't make it any bigger right here because we needed this piece of copper that is absolutely doing nothing. Is that actually potentially shorting there? What is going on here? See, this has all been reworked. And this too, that spot right there, we're going to gouge that out. We're going to take this one off. You know, some of these here, just, you left no room for manufacturing errors. And that's why these are failing.